Hey, Jasper.
What?
I can explain.
What the hell is that?
Jasper, it's me, Chucky.
No, when you say Chucky, what do you mean by that?
Chuck E. Cheese, Jasper.
Prove it.
I ain't gotta prove nothing, you damn nitwit.
Ah, it is you. Why are you a paperclip?
I ain't protesting.
Oh, I guess you're protesting about the new YouTube AI ID verification update or some crap.
Yeah, now channel's in danger because it's run by a minor.
Chuck, why do you care if his channel gets deleted? You don't run it.
Because, Jasper? What?
Oh, thank you so much. And I'll appreciate it in my favor. Would it get deleted? Cheers, boy.
Wait, why'd you turn yourself into a paperclip? What's the point of that?
You see, Jasper, Clippy is the face of the protest, because he would never steal your ID or invade your privacy and stuff. So that's why he's the face of the protest.
Chuck, I got a better question. How the hell are you a Clippy?
I said to the sky with the magic word, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
What?
So anyway, Jasper, wanna join us, Jasper? Become a Clippy, Jasper. I wanna become a Clippy, Jasper. I wanna become a Clippy.
No thanks, Chucky. I'm good here.
Now, Jasper, remember what I said about the views, the fame, and stuff, Jasper?
I'll see what's about to happen.
Come on, Jasper. Come on, Jasper. Join the army, Jasper. Join the army. Join the army.
No. Open the door.
Well, I finally caught up with you, Jasper.
Gasp.
Now we can do this the easy way or the hard way.
Come on, Chucky. Why you gotta turn me into Clippy? To save YouTube from themselves.
Hey guys, what's happening? What the hell is that? What is that?
Hey, Pasquale. Wanna become a paperclip?
What the hell is that?
Time to do some magic. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Oh my lord! Ah.
Hey, 1 down, 5 billion more to go. Now, Jasper, it's your turn. Wait, what? Wait, what? Damn it.
Run, 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 run. Oh, brain damage. Wait, no, no!
Okay, Jasper, can you seriously stop this, Jasper? You can turn back after it's done.
Wait, you can?
Yeah, this isn't permanent, dummy. So, can you just turn it in? Help YouTube?
But you're evil.
Kill.
The deep voice.
It's stupid. Yeah, but just become a paperclip and help us.
Fine.
Okay.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Hey guys, it's me, Chucky Clip. I'm here to tell you to turn your profile pic into a picture of Clippy to help save YouTube from the new AI ID verification. Please do, because you're a Chuck E. Cheese fan, and that's kid. That's kid things. Now please, turn it into Clippy and help save every channel and YouTube themselves my eye is falling out because I keep throwing myself. And also, I think she has to punish me during production of this. So, please help us. Please!